Hey Mario, this is Jackie Ott with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly last week about me shooting this little 5-minute custom video over to you of your current website audit. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to Google HVAC companies, Dallas, Texas. I know you're in Forney, but I'm just going to do this for the purpose of this video. So this top section up here is the ad section. So these people are paying for ads. As you can see, they say sponsored, so these people are paying to be up here. This section begins the Google My Business or the Google Map Pack. If you're not part of it, we'd go ahead and add you to it. A lot of times it goes hand in hand with how your website is ranking. And then this section down here begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranks begin. So throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to the #1 spot for HVAC companies, Dallas, Texas, which is Baker Brothers. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So what is content? Content is any verbiage or wording throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab all this content off the homepage. And I am going to place it into a word counting tool. And you can see that they're at about 1,800 words of content on the homepage. So I'm now going to erase all of this and do the same for your website. So I'm going to grab all of this content and let's see, and place it into my word counter. You have about 700 words of content on your home page. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our home page. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 more opportunities for us to stuff that content with keywords and to bring you up in Google searches. I'll get into more of that in a second. So what is a keyword? A keyword are these little phrases that people type into Google to bring you up. So what we do is we go and we do research on which of these are the highest search volume within your area and for the services you provide, and we go ahead and we fluff that into the content on your homepage to populate you in those searches. So in order to dive deeper into that, I grab each of your websites and I place it into Ahrefs, which is an online website auditing tool that I use. And I just want you to take a brief second to look at the numbers that they have over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you yours. So let's take a look at their keywords. So HVAC Repair Dallas, AC Repair Dallas, AC Repair Dallas, Texas, HVAC Dallas, Texas. So all of those with locations attached are really good. There's so many surrounding towns they could capture if that's the point of their service. Things like this, for example, ductless air conditioning installation without a location attached. As you can see, it has a higher search volume, but it doesn't have a location attached. So what this means is this is a nationwide keyword. Essentially, someone in Oregon could Google this and it would possibly populate that website. It's not the kind of traffic we want to generate. We want to be strategic. We want to bring in buyer intent traffic. You're more than likely not going to make money off of a customer in Oregon unless you plan on hopping on a flight, going and servicing them, and flying back. So we want to stick to the ones that have the locations attached. That's the kind of keywords that we're searching for and the traffic that we want to generate. Let me go ahead and take a look at your keywords. So you have Cyclone, you have AC Repair, Forney Air Conditioning, Heating Repair, Garland, AC Repair, McKinney. So there's just so much more we could do with all of that to bring you in all of that traffic. There's a lot more research we could do to really target those areas and those customers that you want. So that leads me to the third topic that we're going to talk about, which are backlinks. So what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere throughout the internet where this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is placed 87 times. What does that do for us? It's publicity, essentially. It provides 87 more opportunities to be seen, to gain traffic, to gain customers. So if you look at yours, you have 22. Now, we don't have to necessarily beat that number. We don't have to have 88 to outrank them. We need to have higher quality, stronger powered backlinks. So what we'd do is we'd go ahead and add you to all of the quality ones that they have, put us on an even playing field, and then we'd go back month after month to continue adding those and to increase your rank. That being said, Mario, I hope you found this video informative. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips on your own, or as always, reach out to me. I would love to work with you, help you. Thanks. Have a great day.